Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating my monthly view for the month of November 2023. I am doing something a lot different than I normally do, which is I'm going to be using some vinyl stickers along with the Modern Wild sticker book. So I'm focusing on like pinks and browns and a little bit of maroon, things like that, and like coffee stickers. So I'm really excited about this one. I have officially caught up on all of my monthly views for the year of 2023 because I was pregnant at the beginning and then I gave birth in the summer, and I really love my monthly views, so I didn't want to leave them empty. So that's why I went back. I'm glad I did. So now I'm caught up. So for the final 2 months of the year, I will be decorating those on time and it'll all be good. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I showed my list of how I normally like to pre-plan or even past plan in my monthly view. I use one of those really long sticky notes that were from like the sticky note part of those accessory books, if you know what I'm talking about. And so I'll just go ahead and list all the way from 1 to 30 or 31, whatever the month is, and write out everything that's going on throughout the month. Honestly, in the monthly view, I really like to focus on like the big things that are going on. Let's say, you know, going out to dinner or a big party or a doctor's appointment, but I don't put regular little things like I would normally put in my weekly view. So that's what I go ahead and list out ahead of time. So first I started with whiting out mostly everything, and then I put the washi tape for my husband's work trips, and then I started to put a few different vinyl stickers. Thankfully, because they're vinyl stickers, I can mess around with the placement of them, which was nice to do. And I wasn't totally sold on those like really modern ones, so I ended up not doing those, but I definitely knew that I was going to stick with the coffee stickers. So I placed those in the corners and did some shifting around, and I really like the layered look of that coffee over the flower in the bottom right corner. I think that's super cute. I'm not totally in love with the different stickers, you know, some coming from Modern Wild and some being the vinyl, because to me the colors don't completely go together, but I'm trying to roll with it. I'm really crazy when it comes to the matching of the stickers together. I really just, I want it to look like it flows. And if it doesn't, honestly, it really doesn't work in my mind. I can't do it. So who knows? I may end up changing some things. I think, you know, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm probably at like a 6.5, 7 is, you know, so far. I don't know. We will see. Maybe as things get filled in and, you know, after the pen, maybe I will like it a lot more, but we will see. We will see. I try not to be too hard on myself, but, you know, this is a way for me to look back on things, and if it's like not cute, I'm like, I don't know. I don't know about this. I was happy that the 5-month sticker matched because I was able to use it. Some of the other months, like the 2-month and the 3-month, the colors did not end up working out, so I didn't end up using those. So I was glad that the 5-month worked, and that was for my daughter's birthday, I guess, monthly. So the second of every month, she is another month older, and I cannot believe it. She's already 5 months old. I ended up not keeping this as a before the pen. I started to fill some things in, some things that were definitely set in stone, like my husband's work trips and certain holidays and her weeks where she is 1 week older every Friday, stuff like that, you know. Overall, I didn't want to fill too much in because if things end up changing and I don't really have a way of reusing some of these stickers, I'm going to be upset because I really don't like to waste stickers. After I got these holiday stickers down, that is going to be pretty much it. So put it back in the discs and y'all can see the final look. As the month goes on, I'll fill it all in when things definitely happen, but I'm happy with it. I think it's okay. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.